Hello viewers, today for unboxing we have another telephone. This is one of the more important telephones in my collection. When I used to work at my high school in the computer repair department, this was the telephone that I had at my desk. Now when I stopped working there, they let me take that phone, and so I actually have the exact model that I had at the time, but it's missing parts, and it always was. So I figured for $3, or no, actually I don't think I paid $3. I think it was less than that, like $1.54 or something. I might as well get another one so I have a base that has the bracket and doesn't wobble all over the table. So here we go. Watch this not include the bracket. Okay, good, there it is. I thought for a minute the bracket wasn't present. Alright. This is a CXAI5698, and my other one is in significantly better condition. Really all I wanted out of this auction, honestly, was this bracket, because without the bracket, I mean it's usable, but like, you know, it's all discombobulated on the table. So if we have this bracket, if I can get the bracket on without breaking anything, with the bracket, you know, now it's much sturdier. Power supply, AD314, and cordless phone. This is from 2007. I think my other one's from 2005. Is this, what is this for? Well, that's enough for the telephone because I only paid $5.38. I'm not sure why they included that. And here is the charge cradle. Alright, so I will go ahead and plug this in and get everything all connected. And then we'll do an initial checkout on this to make sure everything works. And I'm not sure, I'll probably refurbish it eventually, but it's not going to be something that I do anytime soon because I have the other one which is in perfectly usable condition, and all I really needed was the bracket. So, what in the world is that? Looks like there's spider eggs or something in there. I hate spiders, so I have to take care of it before we do the initial checkout. Alright, that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.